Mountain Kids. This is Rob Wade. A little more outdoor core for you, grade level 5. At the very beginning of this video, there was a little bird call that was being made. And that is from one of our river-loving birds. No, not a duck or a goose, but actually a belted kingfisher. And just like their name would suggest, they are really good at fishing. They're kingfishers, whether they're male or female. The belted is actually a name to describe some of the striped marking on the belted kingfisher. But they're a beautiful, beautiful bird that visits and hangs around and relies on our local creeks and rivers and hunts for fish and other aquatic species right along our waterways. I heard the call, and so I decided to quickly grab a video. I got nothing to show you, but again, you can use your Chromebook to look it up. A belted kingfisher, 2 different words. Kingfisher is a compound word, king and fisher put together. But hopefully that little call might help you know this bird just a little bit better. All right, take care. Bye.